Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the Microsoft Teams app is just not opening, or you're trying to open it, it's either crashing, you get just exited out, it's not loading, something is giving you an error. Then in this video I've compiled a short list of ways how you can basically fix this error. So the first thing I found is that basically when this is happening, there's a really big chance that either your Wi-Fi or cellular mode is just not connected, or you have a really bad Wi-Fi connection. If this is happening, just make sure that you have a stronger Wi-Fi connection or that you have a proper cellular mode, and then you will simply try again to see if maybe that already fixed your issue. Now, if it was not that simple, then we need to start doing some more digging. So the first thing I would recommend you doing is simply restarting your device. This is extremely easy over your iPhone and Android. Just quickly press the volume up button and then hold the power button and then just restart your device on iPhone, and on Android it should be the same. Just do that and then see if after restarting your device it may be working again. Now, if it's not working, what I would also recommend doing is heading over into the App Store. And then once you've done that, what you want to do is simply type in Teams, because we need to simply make sure that there are no bugs currently going on within the app. And to fix is basically just update the app to the latest version if there is an update. And that will basically fix a lot of issues you are having with the Microsoft Teams app. Now, if it's still not working, I would recommend going to this website called Down Detector. It's downdetector.com. Once you've basically done that, just type in Teams just like this. And what we're going to make sure to do is that basically the Microsoft Teams servers are not down. Sometimes this happens. If it does, then it means that you can't access Microsoft Teams. All you need to do is simply click on Microsoft Teams and see if there's any crazy spike from Microsoft Teams. If there isn't, then this means that the servers are not down. If there is, then just wait a few hours, because it most likely is because the servers are down and it should automatically be resolved again. Now, if it's still not working, I would recommend clearing the cache of the Teams app. Now, in order to do this on Android, simply scroll and head over to Settings, go to that search bar, type in Teams, click on the first one, basically the Teams app. All you need to do, basically, once you've done that, is click on Clear Cache. Now on iPhone, in order to do that, all we need to do is go into General like this, head over to iPhone storage. Once you've done that, scroll down till you find Teams. So I'm going to quickly scroll down. I know it's pretty far down because the app is not that big, so let me quickly find it. It's going to be right around, alright, so it's going to be right around here. Just click on it. Once you've done that, click on Offload App and then reinstall the app again, back again, using this page. And do remember that when you do this, none of your documents and data will be removed. Everything will still be there. You will still be logged into your account. You're basically just clearing the cache of the Microsoft Teams app. Now, once you've done that, it's still not working. Then what I would recommend doing is, if you're having an iPhone, what you can do is actually head over to your settings again, then General, and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. And once you've done that, click on Reset all settings. Basically, this will not completely set your phone to a new phone. All your apps will still be there. It will just basically refresh all of your settings, and this will sometimes fix issues if certain apps are crashing or not opening. So I would recommend doing that to see if it's working. This can also be done on Android. Just quickly search online how to do it. Now, once you've done that, it's still not working. What you can also just simply do for the last fix I've basically found is simply reinstalling your app. Do know that when you do this, all your documents and data will be removed, so keep that in mind. But basically, if you do this 99% of the time, all of the fixes, all of the problems you have with a certain app will be fixed by simply reinstalling the app. So I'll definitely recommend doing that to see if maybe that will be working. Just basically update your documents and you should be good to go. And yeah, that are basically all of the fixes I have for you in this video. So please consider letting me know down in the comments below which fix fixed it for you, so all the people can learn from that. That being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.